Election Act 2017 Important MCQs 2021 1. Section 23 of Election Act 2017 deals with Delimitation of Frontier Region. 2. Section 63(1) of Election Act 2017 deals with appointment of appellate tribunal. 3. Section 133(1) of Election Act 2017 deals with appointment of honorable judge. 4. Article provide the time frame for the conduction of by-election is 224(4)(5). By the mean of which Article ECP conduct the local government election in province 148(2) and 219(d). 6. By the mean of which Section ECP conduct the by-election of local government, Section 288. 7. List of parties are written under which chapter of Election Act? Chapter 10. 8. Total number of political parties are enlisted in E.C.P. 125. 9. Which section of Election Act 2017 demands to political to submit their financial statements? Section 210. 10. Section 215(4) of ECP deals with show cause of political parties. 11. Section 134 of Election Act 2017 deals with return of election expenses. 12. Oath of office deals with which article? 214. 13. Election Commission of Pakistan was established under Article 218. 14. Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by President of Pakistan. 15. Chief Election Commissioner is appointed under Article 213. 16. No person shall be appointed to be commissioner unless he has been a judge of a Supreme Court. 17. What age is fixed for Chief Election Commissioner? 68 years. 18. The Parliamentary Committee is constituted by Speaker of National Assembly. 19. In Election Act 2017 article means Article of Constitution. 20. In Election Act 2017 Code means Code of Criminal Procedure 1898. 21. Chief Election Commissioner shall take oath before Chief Justice of Pakistan. 22. The Article 215 deals with term of office of Commissioner. 23. Article 216 Commissioner and his officer member cannot to hold the office of Prophet. 24. Article 217 deals with acting commissioner. 25. Duties of commissioner are mentioned in which article? Article 219.